Hello, everyone. My name is Nishay. I'm happy to get back into the swing of classes because I was definitely enjoying my time off a little bit too much. So it's time to get back to work. As far as the first question about my experience with learning research, my experience with research primarily comes from my undergraduate studies. I had to take a couple research and design analysis classes. I had to take research methods classes, and then in some of my other courses, there were assignments where I would have to read different studies and then write papers on it. What would make learning research fun for me? It definitely would have to be the topic. Um, if I'm doing research on a topic that I like and that I enjoy, it makes it fun for me and it makes it easier for me to understand. Because I've had my fair share of studies where the topic, it wasn't something that I liked and it was very difficult for me to understand and grasp the concepts of the study. So I would definitely say the topic would make it fun. After viewing the syllabus, what excites me about the course will have to be using Excel. The last time I used Excel was 2 years ago. And I was thinking about teaching myself how to use Excel again. And then I see that we'll be using it during the course. So that's pretty much exciting because I'm going to learn how to use it again. It's good to have that refresher. And that's pretty much it about me. I look forward to watching the rest of the videos and seeing what the rest of the course has in store. And I hope you guys have a great day.